Welcome to our department. Let me introduce to my name. Myself is Dinesh Balgi and I am the head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Sri Vidyadaraj Polytechnic. Now, first of all, I want to thank all the students who have taken admission in our branch. Now, as a head of the department, I want to tell the students what are the benefits, what are the initiatives we have in our department, or what type of facilities we are having. That introduction I want to give it to you. Now let us start with the discussion about our department. Our department is started in year 1989. The main objective is to give a hardware and software training to the students. Department has 5 lecturers and an instructor and helper. All the lecturers are qualified and experienced. I know that there will be some students who will not be so good in English, so I want to translate the same into the Kannada. Now, and some student may be not familiar with the Kannada, they have to uh, excuse me for that. Now let me start it in Kannada. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ವಿಭಾಗ 1989ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಂತ್ರಾಂಶ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಾಂಶ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 5 ಬೋಧಕರು ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಮತ್ತು 1 ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ಬೋಧನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. When we talk about the lecturers in our department, we have 5 lecturers. Myself, Dinesh Balgi. I am the HOD of the department and I will be handling theories as well as labs for our students. Similarly, we got another 4 lecturers. The 2 senior lecturers are Ganesh Balgi and Pramod Naik. And other lecturers are the ladies lecturers such as Deepika Mandari and Pooja Shanbag. All of us are graduates. Now we have an instructor named Miss Akshata Hebbar, and we got a helper also for our department. Now this is a brief introduction of our department and departmental staffs. Now let us discuss about what is the vision of our department. The vision of our department is to build a strong learning environment in the field of computer science and engineering in technical education that respond to the challenges of the country. So we know that our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, he is urging us more on digital India. So mobiles and computers have become the need of the every enterprise. With the corona, if you take with the corona and all this crisis what we are having, without a computer or a mobile, it has become difficult to deal with any businesses or education. Today also we need a mobile for education or a computer for education. So with this, our responsibilities are increased. Now we have to build an environment for all the different areas in the world. So computer nowadays is becoming very important pillar, what you can say. Even it's our economic pillar now. If you want to deal with anything now, without a computer or electronic technology we cannot go further. So it is our vision to build a strong learning environment in the computer science field. Next, let us discuss about our mission. So our mission in computer science diploma is to train, design, implement and testing the maintenance of the computational systems through competitive curriculum in the collaboration with industry and other organization. Now our aim is, or the mission is, see what is the vision and what is the mission we have to think. Vision is what we think or what has to be done. Mission is how we are going to achieve it. So we think that okay, this should happen like this. That is a vision. And how we are going to implement it, that is a mission. Okay. Now the mission of our department is to train the students in such a way that they are fit for the industry and other organizations where they will work after the diploma education. We provide the facilities for enhancing the skills and fields. When we talk about the facility, in our department or in our college, we got a reading room, a library, you can see in the picture to your left, and we got a very good classroom which is which has a projector or a LCD facility that you can see at the right side of your screen. So apart from that, we are also providing some of the facilities which and even the training which can make a student a complete product for the industry or organization. Now let us discuss about the facility. Here I have not kept all the photographs of the facilities. We have 3 computer labs. 3 labs are divided separately with the 35 computers in the lab. Total 35 computers. A separate hardware lab is provided at the electronics lab apart from these 3 computer labs. And all these computers are facilitated with Windows, the original Windows, a licensed Windows and Linux operating systems. Along with that, all the softwares are available or whatever is needed for according to our syllabus, according to the need of the students. We have all the softwares which they will be trained. Now let us discuss or briefly tell about the facilities in Kannada. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾದ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅನ್ವಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡಲು ಅಗತ್ಯವಿರುವ ಮೂಲ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ಹೊಸ ತಂತ್ರಾಂಶವುಳ್ಳ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ 3 ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗಳು, ಕೇವಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ 3 ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ, ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾದ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗಳನ್ನು. ಅದರ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ತಂತ್ರಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕೇತರ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂದೇಶ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ, ಇವನು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನು ಜೆವಲಿನ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. So if you talk about the achievements of our department, Sandesh Naik, who is a student of our department, who was actually, now he is learning or studying in Nitte Engineering College. He secured a 2nd place in state level javelin throwing competition. Similarly, the student like Pawan Kumar, BJ Vinayak, Pramod Raj, last year students, they went to Mudlikatte Engineering College and presented a paper between the engineering students. Now, apart from that, if you talk about the curriculum activities, our branch has scored 90% result in the final year, and out of 35 students, 23 students got distinction, that is above 75%, and the topper in our college got 97% for in the diploma examination, in the final year examination. This is our achievement, and from nearly 4 to 5 years we are giving the best result in our college compared to any other department. So these are some of our achievements. Now let us discuss now I want to show you some of the photos. Here at the left side you can see the electronics lab what we are using, and this is our computer lab. These are the facilities what we are using. And apart from that, we call our alumni, we call the experts to give the expert knowledge. And one of our student, or I can say more than one students, so here only one photo we have placed. So many of our students as alumni, they come to the college and they gave a lecture once they join into the job, and they also tell us about the industry and what is the need of an industry. Similarly, here you can see one more diagram. So I hope it is clear. Here you just follow my mouse pointer. Here you can see we had also conducted a workshop 1 year back from Mudlikatte Engineering College. The student and staff members of the Mudlikatte Engineering College, they visited our college and they introduced about the IoT concept, Internet of Things concept. So these are a few popular programs which we have conducted in our college. So last year we had conducted the IoT workshop, and before that, means 1 year back, our all students, the 50 members of our department, the final year student, they went to Mysore for an internship program, and they had taken internship program in BSNL workshop, and they had taken a knowledge from that. So these are some of our achievements. And here, if I have to tell about our department, I think ours is one of the best department. I hope you will enjoy learning your education here, and after completion of the diploma you will get a better job. And one more very important thing also I have to discuss in this. Students from our department over the years, say around 4 to 5 years or 10 years, after diploma what they want to do, or what they have to do, that question will come into their mind. I strongly suggest them to go for engineering, because if in a young age if you learn more concepts, it is very much helpful, because once you grow up or once you get into the job, it is very difficult to complete your graduation. As diploma is not a graduation, you have to join any engineering college to complete your graduation. Now the question in many person's mind or many students' mind is that which engineering college we have to join. Now the situation is such that if you are a student of the best engineering college such as PESIT, Ramaiah, RV, or BVB, and then NITTE, and we have a list of institutions in which our students have learned, that is PES in Bangalore, then National Institute of Engineering Mysore, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering Bangalore, Ambedkar Institute of Technologies Bangalore, Sir Vishwesvaraya Institute of Technologies Bangalore, NMM Institute of Technologies NITTE, RNS Institute of Technologies Bangalore. Similarly, we have BMS College in Bangalore. These are all the top engineering college. I am not just naming this college for the sake of naming. Many of our students over the years, I am not telling last year they had joined in all these institution. I had one, here I had one presentation. Here you can see one of our student in the middle. She is giving a presentation to our regular students, a last year student. She learned in BVB college. Later she joined NEC, one of the top cloud computing company, and went abroad also. Like that, many examples are there. So the students who learn in our college, they usually go for engineering. Say around 70 to 75% students, they are going for engineering college, because they want to enhance their knowledge and get into the top engineering, top business enterprises. And those students who are not going for engineering, some of them are joining for some trainings such as hardware trainings in Jetking and all, and they seek a job. Or some students we recruit from our college. In the past we had interviews for HCL and HCL and Tech Mahindra, but the thing is, most of our students choose to go for engineering, so we could have very little uh, accommodations, or sorry, little what you can say is postings in those companies. But still, I think we are doing a best job in our field. So now I hope you got an idea about our department, and in the future I hope you will learn the things and do the best in the business. Thank you.